Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to Yan Family in our YouTube channel. Today is October 5th, 2025. Today in this video, I'd like to share with you how to get rid of aphids and ants from your dragon fruit plant. Stay tuned. Okay guys, take a look at my dragon fruit plant. So usually I can always see some ants on dragon fruit plant. So if you take a look at it here, you can see some ants right here. So basically I don't on purpose to remove all these ants, because all these ants might be helpful because they can pollinate my dragon fruit flowers. But just recently I found a lot of ants and aphids on this plant. That is not good. So if you take a look at right here, you can see, you see a lot of kind of like a black colored in a cluster. Some, pests, they just crowd each other. So basically that is aphids and with ants. So take a look at it right here. You can see more clear. This is aphids. Because ants like to stay with aphids, because ants can trick aphids to produce honeydew and consume honeydew. And meanwhile, ants can protect aphids. Even though I can see some ladybug can eat aphids, but kind of not very efficiently. Let me show you. I can always see some, ladybugs somewhere. Here, I just want to quickly show you here. There is one ladybug right here. So, but unfortunately, just recently, I can find a lot of aphids on some flowers. Actually some flowers already bloomed, just like this one. You can see the base of the flower already swell. It's definitely this flower already successfully pollinated. So the fruit is going to form. So, but you can see some aphids right here. And check out this flower. Same thing. You can see the bottom part right here. Focus. You can see right here some ants and black aphids, some moving. It's really, really gross. So on this side, same thing you see here. So both flowers already bloomed. So basically this flower bloomed on a label right here, September 23rd. You can see the base. So successful pollinated. This is bloomed on September 24th. It's already swell and pollinated, successfully. But unfortunately, if you check out this flower, you can see a lot of aphids. So actually this flower tonight is going to bloom. So you see here, the sun is very shining. I'm not sure you can see clearly or not. So you can see here, they're moving. Most of them are black aphids. Some very little, feel some like a green aphids. You can see they're moving, right? So some ants moving around. So because this flower is going to bloom tonight, basically today I'm going to use some chemicals to get rid of aphids and ants, because I have bigger concern about all this, dragon fruit flowers, especially for this one, because it's going to bloom tonight. I'm not going to use chemicals to spray on it because I have bigger concern. Probably I worry about it. It's going to affect the pollination for this dragon fruit flower. So I'm just use my hand to remove all these aphids, killed aphids, and use water to rinse it. So this is one thing. And for two other, already pollinated, definitely pollinated, the dragon fruit flower, I'm going to spray chemicals to kill these aphids and ants. Okay, take a look at this spray bottle. I already made this kind of chemicals. It is called homemade pesticide and fungicide. I once used this, solution for the treatment of aphids, it really works, especially for some aphids on the vegetable plants. So actually, several days ago, I used this one for the treatment of ants. It really works. Immediately killed ants. So today I'm going to use this one for the treatment of aphids and ants. I just want to mention only 3 ingredients in this, solution, including vegetable oil, baking soda, and 95% based, plant-based, organic dish liquid. So all this kind of ingredients is edible, so pretty safe, but it really can kill the aphids and ants. Okay, let's try it. So you can see some ants right here. I'm gonna spray. You can see after the spray, immediately the ants don't move. And right here, you can see a lot of ants right here, right? So I'm gonna spray. You see? The ants stop moving. So anyway, I'm gonna spray a little more right here. It's more this side. I'm not sure you can see it. So I'm gonna spray this one first and wait a little bit. Later, I'm going to use water, just, spray and rinse to remove all this, kind of chemicals and pests. So I think it should be fine for this flower because as you can see right here, so this flower already pollinated, so should be okay. But this one is going to bloom tonight, so I would rather use my hand to remove the aphids and ants. So here, the same thing. I'm going to spray right here. Okay, let's take a look at, the factors. So you can see that one ants right here, it's already died here. And you can take a look at it right here, the ants. So they don't move. Actually, let me see this side. See, almost died. Does not move right here. This is another ants. See, this ants probably still a little bit more, but it's fine. So most ants already killed. You see. Can I see right here the ants? I spray at the beginning. So let's check out this side. You see, the ant's body is right here, right? So if it's definitely, it will kill. So, but based on my experience, usually probably take a little bit of while, like 1 or 2 days to totally kill all the aphids. But the kind of ants you can easily to see, they don't move. But anyway, I'm going to spray some water just to, remove all these, ingredients, the chemicals. I would just want to make sure it will not harm the flowers. So nice. So guys, I'm going to put the recipe for this chemicals in the description part. If you are interested, you can just check out and make your own pesticide and fungicide to kill some aphids and ants. So actually, just want to mention you, I use these chemicals for other treatment. It really works. Okay guys, if you like today's video, please give us some up, like, share, leave comments down below. Thanks for watching. See you next time.